Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preventing interruptions. Plug the Asus into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Make a quick backup or enable a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and select Windows Update. You're doing this now because interruptions or missing backups are the main causes of failed updates. Starting the built-in updater immediately lets Windows detect critical patches and prepares the system for driver checks next. After checking for updates, install critical and quality patches first because they fix stability and security issues. You should then open optional updates to install any driver updates Microsoft offers. These often resolve compatibility problems. Next, run Asus Live Update or the My Asus app to fetch vendor-specific drivers and firmware that Windows might not provide. Do this because Asus packages chipset, camera, and power management drivers that keep your laptop functioning correctly. Make sure each package finishes. You finish by accepting restart prompts and letting the laptop complete any post-install configuration. Don't force power off during this phase. Once the system boots, check Update History in Settings to confirm success and open Device Manager to verify drivers report no errors. If a device fails or the laptop behaves badly, roll back the device driver or boot into safe mode to uninstall the offending driver. This single troubleshooting tip often restores stability quickly without a full system reset, saving time and data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.